$1.5 billion is unclaimed by taxpayers for the 2020 tax year alone. That's right. The IRS, your bank, and county clerks are hiding billions of dollars in unclaimed funds that could be yours in this video. You'll learn how to access these hidden funds and take control of your financial future today. You'll learn. First, how to tap into unclaimed IRS tax refunds using the upgraded online account portal. Next, how to find excess proceeds held by county clerks after tax sales. And finally, how to recover dormant bank balances that might be waiting for you. The IRS local governments are sitting on a treasure trove of unclaimed funds that many don't even realize belongs to them, with billions of dollars waiting to be claimed. Understanding the rules, processes to access this money is crucial for freelancers, small business owners, and salaried employees alike. This knowledge can lead to significant financial gains, especially as we step further into 2026. To use the IRS's online account portal, you don't need to pay a dime. It's completely free, allowing you to check for unclaimed tax refunds, stimulus payments, and uncashed checks for county clerks. Accessing excess proceeds typically requires no fees for claimants. However, be wary of recovery agents who may charge hefty fees for their services. These agents can take a percentage of your claim, sometimes as high as 30%. So, your best bet is to do the groundwork yourself. For dormant bank accounts, states often don't charge fees to claim these funds, so you can retrieve what's yours at no additional cost. Did you know the IRS has an upgraded online account portal where you can easily see your tax history? You can check for unclaimed tax credits, like the Earned Income Tax Credit, which is worth up to $6,728 for eligible families. You can also find uncashed checks, track your refund status, access a detailed transaction history for the past year. For county clerks, many have searchable online databases where you can look for excess proceeds from tax sales. For example, if a property sold for $150,000 but only had $100,000 owed in taxes, that $50,000 difference can sometimes be claimed. This money often just sits there unless you actively search for it. And don't forget about your bank. Most banks have a process for finding dormant accounts, which may have balances of $100 or more. You can usually call their customer service or use their website to inquire about these accounts. Some banks even offer online tools specifically for tracking down forgotten funds. Just enter your information. They'll guide you through the recovery process. Let's set up a straightforward workflow to track down unclaimed funds this week. Start by visiting the IRS's online account portal at irs.gov/payments. If you don't have an account, click on the Create an Account button. It only takes about 10 minutes. Once logged in, check for any unprocessed credits or uncashed checks listed in your account. Look specifically for entries like the economic impact payments, which could total $1,200 or $2,400 depending on your filing status. Next, go to your state's county clerk website. For example, if you live in Los Angeles County, head to lacounty.gov. Search for the unclaimed property link. Most counties have a searchable database for excess proceeds. These lists can include amounts ranging from $50 to several $1,000s. Once you find the excess proceeds list, simply enter your name and any known aliases to see if you've any claims. If you discover any unclaimed funds, carefully read through the claiming process. It usually requires filling out a claim form, providing identification, possibly submitting proof of ownership. Make sure to meet any deadlines. For many counties, claims must be filed within a year of the funds being reported. By following this simple workflow, you could recover money you didn't even know you had. Let's walk through a real scenario. Start by going to the IRS website and navigating to the online account portal. Once logged in, look for the section labeled Refunds Credits. Here, you can see if any tax refund is marked as unclaimed. Click through to view details. Here's why. Suppose you find an uncashed check from 2020. You can request a replacement check directly from this portal. Now, switch gears and visit your local county clerk's website. You'll often find a tab for unclaimed property or excess proceeds. Enter your last name and property address to search if you find funds that were generated from a tax sale. Follow their claiming instructions to submit your request. This process can be completed in just a few clicks. Now you've got the knowledge to tap into previously hidden IRS tax refunds, giving you access to potentially thousands in unclaimed money. Plus, you can actively search for excess proceeds from tax sales, ensuring that no funds slip through the cracks. Finally, you've learned how to Recover dormant bank balances before they're lost forever to state treasuries. Reclaiming what belongs to you. Comment claimed if you've ever found money owed to you by the IRS or county clerk. If you found value in this video, hit the like button and subscribe for more wealth hacks now. Tell me, do you think it's worth the time to audit your accounts regularly for unclaimed funds? Or do you trust the system to return what's yours? Share your thoughts below. The most interesting insight will inspire our next video.